It's closed.
So you set up the inquiry, you closed it. Now can I tell you transparently to put on your website everything, the whole entire process of what you found and what was written?
It is there.
No, you've given a statement, you've said that we, for reasons explained above, do not find any merit in the complaint. There is no substance in the complaint and the respondent stands exonerated of all charges.
This is what the
now you form the basic methodology you used to exonerate these people was wrong. You cannot be in a position where you appoint the people who will be carrying out the inquiry.
I'll give you an example.
Was that a mistake or not, Arvind?
Let me give you an example. You are running Times Now, right? Suppose you have an employee who has done something wrong. There are two ways of handling it. One is Times Now will have its own internal inquiry to deal with it. And secondly is the law of the land will take its own course and they will deal with that man.
Yes.
Similarly, in our own party, this internal inquiry is about keeping our own party clean. So that is the reason that we set up this inquiry.
Tough to accept that.
So don't accept it. It is not for your acceptance.
It's not for my acceptance?
No, it is not for your...
It doesn't matter if the people don't accept it.
Just listen to me.
No, 1 second. See, Arvind.
I'm coming to that.
Arvind,
please allow me to complete my sentences.
No, 1 minute. You see, this is the problem. This is the problem. You were open. You were transparent.
I'm still transparent. We have put up everything on the website.
Today you are arrogantly saying, you don't accept it? Don't accept it. It's not for you to accept. How does it matter? Do you know how many people watching this interview right now will say, this is not the same Arvind Kejriwal we knew. There is a tinge of arrogance that has come into Arvind Kejriwal.
You are not allowing me to speak.
Don't you think so?
No, I don't think so. You are not allowing me to speak. You see, we set up an internal inquiry because we want to keep our party clean.
Yes.
And therefore this internal inquiry found that these people have not done anything wrong. Now, we are not in government.
Yes.
The government has CBI, the government has police, the government has enforcement directorate, the government has income tax department, the government has excise department, the government has all the departments. They have set all their departments against us. They filed a PIL, a PIL was filed in Delhi High Court against Manish Sisodia saying that he was using foreign funds. The Home Ministry has filed an affidavit now saying that there was no foreign funds used in this. So please set up all your inquiries, please set up all your, they have already put all their agencies against us, they also didn't find anything.
Do you think Colgate is a big issue?
Of course,
the disappearance of the files?
Of course it's a big issue.
Do you think Sri Prakash Jaiswal is absolutely clean and honest and there's no case that can be made out against him?
Of course there should be, but who will do that?
But the Congress party doesn't think so. As per the Congress party...
It's not about Congress party.
1 minute, it is. Because I take your own logic. I said the Congress party's internal assessment is that there is no need to inquire anything against Sri Prakash Jaiswal. Similarly, the DMK's...
Please allow me to...
You are a political party. I'm talking of political parties, then I'll give you full chance to respond. A. Raja, do you think he's completely honest? The DMK's internal assessment, by the way, is that there is absolutely no case that can be made out against A. Raja.
So now can I speak?
Yes. Contradiction.
Internal inquiry of DMK says that A. Raja is not guilty.
Yes.
Internal inquiry of Congress says that Sri Prakash Jaiswal is...
Nothing to explain.
Forget about that Dr. Manmohan Singh is not guilty.
Yes.
Right? But it is not about internal inquiries. This country cannot run on the basis of internal...
But that's exactly what you did.
But let me speak.
But that's what you did.
But let me speak.
Didn't you do that?
But let me speak.
No, but did you do that?
But let me speak.
No, but
can I answer your question?
Did you or did you not do that?
Can I answer your question?
No, but answer this specific counter. Did you or did you not do the same internal inquiry?
Do I have a right to be heard in the court of Justice Arnab Goswami?
Answer the question.
Can I speak? It is not about internal inquiries. Internal inquiries are basically meant to keep your own party clean.
Yes.
You can raise fingers at internal inquiries. Yes. You can raise fingers at DMK's internal inquiry. You can raise fingers at... It is about whether we have the right kind of systems in place in the country to hold those inquiries and if they are found guilty, send them to jail. Do we have an independent CBI? Do we have an independent income tax department? Do we have an honest revenue intelligence? Do we have all these? All these departments are there directly under the government. So why can't the government put... The government has already done it. The government has already put all these agencies against us, and the government also did not find anything against us. So where is the problem?
Then frankly, Arvind, I again put this question to the test. Everyone watching the news hour today, I'll put this question to them in English and you can put it in your own way. Because you say that I put the question, I twist the question in such a way to get a certain answer. I put the question, then you put the question. My question to the viewer watching news hour today is, Arvind Kejriwal supports his internal inquiry and says if the government wants, they can have their own inquiries, but he feels that his internal inquiry against charges of those people associated with the Aam Aadmi Party are the best way to do it. Now, Arvind Kejriwal makes that point. Do you agree or disagree with it? Would you like to rephrase this in any manner that you want to put?